Hi Geminis, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be looking at your energies starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this reading, I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? So let's get started with your reading for my Geminis, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, 8th till 14th of November. To book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, 8th till 14th of November. What is going on with my Geminis? 8th till 14th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Okay, so Gemini, so this is coming up with a feeling in the past with the Ace of Swords, King of Pentacles and Seven of Cups. So there was some confusion. It could be a very big a confusion in regards with something big, in regards with the person involved in your life, but it can be in the finances as well. But definitely you really needed to choose someone or something over here. There was some miscommunication, which actually there was miscommunication, but it feels like, yeah, the clarity did come with time. Things were really puzzled in the past. In the present, we have Six of Wands, the High Priestess and Six of Cups. So something related with the past is coming up in the present. So this is definitely somebody who is not letting go of the past situation. And with this person in your life, it's like a person who is really hideous, but you still want this person in your life at present. We'll clarify what exactly the messages are, as there is something which is missing in this reading right now. In the coming future, we have the Five of Pentacles, Four of Cups and the Fool. Yeah, it's like rejections with but still going towards something which will not give you happiness. This is some kind of a decision making which you might be doing, or your person could be doing this, but going towards something which is not going to give you happiness. I want to clarify now what exactly you are going through, Geminis. Let's see. Geminis. Tell me more about the Ace of Swords for my Geminis, please. Ace of Swords, Geminis. Nine of Cups. Okay, so let me check more cards. Again, Seven of Cups. Were you confused about somebody? Were there more than two people involved? Were there more than one person you liked? It could be you, it could be your person as well. So take as it resonates. The roles can be reversed, okay? But definitely there was a person who was confused between more than one person. It's like I'm not sure where to go. I'm not sure which person to choose right now. So a lot of thinking over here in the past. Tell me more about the King of Pentacles. Who is this King of Pentacles? You might be dealing with a Taurus over here, or Libra. Let's see why the King of Pentacles is here. Six of Cups. Somebody with the past thing. I think that your person, yeah, with the Two of Pentacles in your back, at the back of your deck, is telling us definitely that there was a situation where a person was confused between two people over here, and it was like a very dicey situation with your person. Like a past person could have come up in between both of you, or you could be the one from the past which has come who has come up, and your person could be dealing with someone else. So just take as it resonates. But yeah, this is a third party situation where there was a lot of confusion going on in the past, and this person was not able to um, decide. So did that person decide, whosoever was confused? Was there any decision yet, or still going on? The process is still on. Yeah, the process is still on, I feel. The decision has not been made, but still somebody, like if this is your energy where you are the person who, sorry, the person, if this is your person who needs to decide, and you are the person who is waiting for their decision, so it's really hard for them. And whatever decision they have made, it's like it's making you very feel bad, you know, like how could you do this to me, that thing. And it's not a feeling, it's not a good feeling. Past was like a lot of anxiety, depressions, yeah, like crying at nights, and it was not going on good. Tell me more about the Six of Wands. Six of Wands, please, in the present energies. I feel that this person is liked by many, and that is why they become confused, you know, when a person is like too many people are there who like, and this High Priestess is not your energy. You could be dealing with Pisces, or the third person could be Pisces, but all of a sudden this person has come up. The situation hasn't ended yet. This person is still in the thought process, not taken a decision. And yeah, the High Priestess coming up over here is definitely the third person over here. We call her, sometimes we call her the second lady of the deck, you know. Yeah, Ten of Pentacles. Your person is trying to, they are thinking that whether whether they should marry them or you, and it's really hard for them to continue thinking this way. Plus it's hard for you as well, because you know somewhere that you are not the chosen one. You feel somewhere. Six of Cups. Hierophant. See, the past person with whosoever they were dealing with. If this is not you, if this is the other past person who came in between both of you, it's like they are going in the direction of choosing them. But if this past person is you, then also the more energies are coming towards the other person only, you know. Whosoever is the past person who has come up in between two people is definitely coming in the story now with the person who was confused, who is dealing with this. Okay, so tell me more about the Five of Pentacles. I feel that it's more like a rejection and a no-no towards a situation in the future. Yeah, the Lovers. It's definitely the past person who is going towards a win-win situation over here. Five of Wands. Arguments, fights, rejections, and a lot more is coming towards you. Okay, yeah. This is definitely, they are definitely gonna marry. But I see there's something new with you, Geminis. I see that if this is your energy with the Fool, I see that you are not ready. The decisions which the other person is taking will affect you. Obviously they will affect you, but you at some place you do not want to go with this you know, like a triangle, love triangle kind of thing. You do not like that thing, and you are just moving away from this, and you are going towards something new, because with the Fool energy it's definitely something new from where to start. See more energies. The Emperor and the Devil. Yeah, you are connected with this person. This could be some kind of a toxic relationship with you and your person over here, but definitely more than toxicity, this is like a feeling of not being with the same person. I feel that because of two cards, I feel that this person is coming towards you again. You know, I don't know with whom you are actually dealing with, whether you're dealing with a Libra or some other water sign. Yeah, but this is definitely a person who is not going to end the things with you. This person is going to come back to you. I am really getting a cycle, a toxic cycle repeating over here. They might marry them, but they will not leave you, because they were confused, they are confused, and they will be confused. The Lovers is a very temporary energy, along with marriage, along with Ten of Cups. It shows that they might marry with a person who is see how Lovers, Devil and the Ten of Cups, all three are in the future. It feels like they are not going to be very sure at all. I don't see any surety from their side towards you as well as your person. So the suggestion over here, dear Geminis, is that it's better for you to take a decision rather than waiting for them to take a decision, because they're really pissed off, and they will never be able to take any decision in the future as well, I feel. And it's like, if they will take also, if they might get married to any one of you, it's like the other person is in a very toxic relationship, and it's not going to end. It's really somebody who's one person needs to take a step and needs to end this toxic cycle, whosoever this person is. But definitely this toxicity needs to end really fast, otherwise this whole energies over here are not very permanent, which are coming up. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Geminis. I hope that helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.